My name is Adelina. I'm from Gravesend in Kent. I'm the Director of In-House Property Hub and I am Simon's mentee. So we are in Dartford, just in front of my first deal. It's a 4-bedroom townhouse in a very nice residential area in the heart of Dartford. Welcome to my first deal. It's got lovely garage, which we're going to use as storage for service accommodation, business, very important. And this is the ground floor. We have a downstairs toilet and a kitchen. So it's a good sized kitchen here. We decided to put dining table downstairs to avoid people or eliminate people walking up and down with drinks and food. It's a good space, it's got storage and access to the garden. So the garden is perfect size. It's low maintenance with artificial grass and a patio area. So it will save us a lot of time and money and headache to try to keep it in good order. We're gonna have some seating delivered coming tomorrow, set it up, some plants and make it look all homely and comfortable. So this is the downstairs toilet. It's one of the 3.5 bathrooms, which is very important in service accommodation. It's a 4-bedroom house. So having 3.5 bathrooms was one of the selling points on that deal for us. So this is the ground floor. Let's go have a look upstairs. So this is the first floor. We have 2 smaller bedrooms here, a shower room and a spacious lounge. So these are the 2 smaller bedrooms. One is still a double with a queen size zip and link bed, giving us option to have it as a double or 2 single for our guests. And the smaller bedroom is just a single, but we still managed to put a small double bed in there for comfort and extra space. So this is the shower room that will serve the 2 smaller bedrooms and the guest who sleeps on a sofa bed in the lounge. So we did some work to this house. Most of the work was done to the bathrooms. We've changed the flooring, revamped all the units and painted and resealed everything in the bathroom, on top of deep clean and well, staging that will still come. So this is the lounge. It's very good size. We've got 2 sofa beds in here, some additional seating, and TV is still to come on the wall. And it's got a lovely patio door and it's a great space for the guests to chill out. So that's the first floor. Let's go have a look on the second floor. So in this bedroom we have a king size zip and link bed, giving us option to set it up as 2 singles or large double bed, and some great wardrobe and storage space. So this is the master bedroom. It has a king size zip and link bed, again 2 singles on one large double bed, and the master bedroom comes with ensuite bathroom, which has the shower and obviously the toilet. The landlord he's a remote landlord, so he doesn't live close by. He wanted a passive income without being involved in running of this property, of his property. He wanted to make sure the property is being taken care of. I got this deal through open rent. So I started speaking to landlord a few months ago when the tenant was still in this property. Myself and the landlord, we were under the impression we will be working together within a couple of months. But when the landlord came to this property, the property wasn't left in a very good condition, and it took 3 months to bring it up to the standard. So it was quite lengthy process, but we're here. I picked this property because it's in very good location. It's in town centre. It's close to train station and it's 20 minutes train journey to London. This particular part of Dartford is very residential. It is got really good links to motorway, so it is just perfect for service accommodation. Since I started with Simon, he's been assisting me with sourcing, and he also was advising me on deals that I came across. He was able to assess it for me, and although he's not from this area, we went through it together and we were able to identify it as a very high potential property. The negotiations, they were very brief. This property is a great find, I would say, and landlord wanted below market value rent. The property is exactly what we needed, what we wanted. Great location, lots of potential, and landlord really wanted us to take it on. He was in a rush. The negotiations were pretty much non-existent because he offered such a good deal. The principle that Simon always goes by is to be transparent, to be of service. It's all about trying to help and create win-win, and for this to be a benefit for all parties. This house is in non-Article 4 area, and that was one of the checks that Simon recommended me to do when I found this deal. He basically advises always to have plan B when we take on property, to make sure that there is exits apart from the main strategy. When I found this deal, I put it through Simon's deal analyzer, and very quickly it just showed it works really well. Fingers crossed. So all the expenses are £2,400 per month. So with the nightly rate in the area of £275 for this type of property, we'll be able to break even at 11 nights, and that includes the commission of the OTAs. So the rest of the month, 19 to 20 days, it's pure profit. Working with Simon made it very easy to analyze any deal that came my way. Apart from the deal analyzer that I can use initially when I come across any deal, then I've got his support where he is on WhatsApp, on our weekly calls, or when I need him on a phone. So he's been very supportive, and he was able to advise very quickly and kind of push me in the right direction every time. So this was the tour of my first rent to SA deal. Thank you for joining me, and follow my journey.